Now we will do some more questions related to linear equation in two variables. In the exercises, one question is given and we have to represent this one into the two variables. The question is this one: the cost of a notebook is 2 times of a pen. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. And we have to write a linear equation of this statement. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Let cost of notebook is equal to x and the cost of a pen is equal to rupees y. There are the two variables. Cost of a notebook is rupees x and the cost of a pen is rupees y. Cost of a notebook, it means x is twice the cost of a pen, means we can write it as x is equal to 2y, which verify the statement or in the linear form. The cost of a notebook is 2 times or twice that of the cost of a pen, or we can write it as x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now this is a linear equation in two variables. We can change the value of y and get the value of x. Suppose we are taking the value of y is equal to 10, y is equal to 10. A lot of solutions we can get from the given linear equation. Suppose we are getting 4 solutions of this one equation. If x is equal to 2y, I am taking y is equal to 10, then the x will be 20. Follow the statement, the cost of a notebook is twice that cost of the pen. If the cost of a pen is 10, then the cost of a notebook is 20. If I am taking the cost of a pen equal to rupees 5, then the cost of a notebook 5 2s are 10. If the cost of a notebook is pen is 3, then the cost of a notebook is 6. And if cost of a pen is equal to 20, the cost of our notebook will be 40. So in this one we got the 4 solutions of this linear equation. Similarly, one more question I am telling to you. Write the 4 solutions. Write the 4 solutions of 3y plus 4 equal to 0. One question is this one. Can we find the 4 solution of this one equation? No. We cannot get the 4 solutions of this one given equation. Why? Because this is a single variable equation. Here we have noted only 3y plus 4 equal to 0. It means we will get 3y is equal to minus 4 or y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This is a fixed value. Y is equal to minus 4 by 3 is a fixed value, so that we cannot write the 4 solution. If we want to write the 4 solutions, then what we will write? We will write it as this is x, this is y. Y will always minus 4 by 3. Everywhere y will be 4 by minus 4 by 3, and we can write the any of the value of x. Suppose minus 1, 0, 1 and minus 2. These are the 4 solutions of the single variable equation in which y is everywhere constant and x will be changed. You can write any of the value of x, but y is fixed, y equal to minus 4 by 3. But in this one equation, we got the four different solutions of given equation because this was the two variable equation x is equal to 2y. It means if there are the two variables, then infinitely many solutions we can find, but the given equation is single variable equation, we will get the single answer, एक unique answer. Now suppose x is equal to minus, so I want to plot a graph of a single variable equation. I want to plot x is equal to minus 4 on a graph. X is equal to minus 4. First part, one variable, and second part is two variable. Means I want to plot the graph of x is equal to minus 4 as a one variable, as a two variable. What we will do? Firstly, first part, x is equal to minus 4. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one. This is a single variable or one variable solution. X is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. This one. X is equal to minus 4. This is the graph of a single variable. Single variable. Draw a single line, means x-axis or y-axis only. Draw a real number line as an x-axis and note it minus 4 on this line. X is equal to minus 4, point out, so that this is single variable or one variable equation. If we want to draw a graph of two variables, x is equal to minus 4 as a two variables, then firstly we will write it as, here we are seeing y is equal to minus 4 by 3. This was the constant and x is the changing. Here x will be minus 4, but the value of y can be 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose I am taking y equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, but x is always minus 4 here. Now two variable equation. For the two variable, we have to draw a Cartesian plane. X is equal, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and x is equal to minus 4. Where x is equal to minus 4? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 is fixed, but y is equal to 0. Here y equal to 0, here y equal to 1, here 2, here 3. It means a line parallel to y axis y axis will be drawn to represent x is equal to minus 4. It is x is equal to minus 4. If x is constant, if a single variable is given and we have to draw this one on the Cartesian plane, then we get the parallel line. X is equal to minus 4 is the parallel to y axis. Similarly, if I want to draw y is equal to 3, one variable and two variable. For the one variable, we draw the y-axis. This is the y-axis. This is y-axis. This is 0. These are the positive coordinates. These are the negative coordinates. Y equal to 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. This point will be y equal to 3 in the one variable. But if we want to write it as a two variables on the Cartesian plane, then what we will do? Simple. Draw a Cartesian plane. X-axis, y-axis. Y equal to 3. This is origin 0. Y is equal to 3. And x will be suppose minus 1, 0 and 1. I am taking x is equal to minus 1, 0 and 1. But y will be 3. X is equal to minus 1. This is minus 1. This is 0 and this is 1. But y will be 3. Y 1, y 2 and y is at 3. Means y is constant at here, but x is the variable. Means the first coordinate minus 1 3, 0 3 and 1 3. Minus 1 comma 3 here, 0 comma 3 here, 1 comma 3 here. Join these points. What we are getting? We are getting a line parallel to x-axis for y is equal to 3. Means if y is constant or y is given only, then we will get a line of parallel to x-axis. But if x is constant, x is equal to something, then a line with parallel to y-axis. These are the solutions of a single variable equations represent in the two variables form. So that these questions are important in for the exams. Learn these things. These are very easy concept. Learn it.